Look who I found. Hi. You looking for a peanut? I got one for you. It's a nuthatch. He'll get one. He's quick. See how he's always upside down? A cool bird. And not normally on the ground, so he's making the decision. I just love birding. I sit out here and all the different ones come. You see how he's going backwards? These birds are acrobats. My guess is he's eating bugs. I think he wants to get down in the bath. Surprised he didn't come down and get that peanut. He's very itchy. I think he wants to be in the bath. Yeah, he took off. He wanted to get in that bathtub. Ah, what a great life. Ciao for now.